Welcome to Best 5 Picks. The best swing set accessories are probably one of the most exciting additions you can make to your backyard, transforming a standard swing set into a dynamic play zone that sparks imagination and encourages hours of active fun for children of all ages. These accessories are not just about adding variety, they are about enhancing safety, promoting developmental skills, and ensuring that every swing session is a memorable adventure, making them a worthwhile investment for any family looking to maximize their outdoor play experience and create lasting childhood memories. Number 5. Jungle Gym Kingdom Swing Seat Replacement Kit. Bring the heavy-duty quality of the school playground right to your backyard. This replacement swing seat is perfect for creating a DIY swing on your porch, in a tree, or upgrading existing swing sets. Designed with safety in mind, it features plastic-coated chains that are pinch-free and stable, preventing any finger snags or hair tangles. It's strong enough to hold up to 300 pounds, so adults can join the fun too. Constructed with durable materials, just like the ones you find at the local park. This swing is built to withstand rough play from kids, the elements, and even enthusiastic adults. Get ready to swing in minutes. It arrives fully assembled and ready to hang. Simply use the included snap hooks to attach the chains to your existing swing set. Adjust the height easily by moving the hook to your desired length. This backyard swing kit includes one pre-assembled plastic swing seat with grommets, heavy-duty chains, and 2 metal snap hooks for easy attachment. Hanging brackets are sold separately if needed. What we like? This swing offers exceptional durability, bringing playground-grade quality to your backyard. Its pinch-free coated chains ensure safety for little ones, and it can even support adult weight. If you are looking for a robust and safe swing replacement that can withstand heavy use and accommodate the whole family, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The swing set is very sturdy and well-built, with high-quality materials. The assembly instructions were clear and easy to follow, and all the parts were included. My kids love the different swing options, including the toddler swing and the tire swing. Number 4. Jungle Gym Kingdom Swing Seat Replacement Kit. Bring the heavy-duty quality of the school playground right to your backyard. This replacement swing seat is perfect for creating a DIY swing or upgrading existing parts. Designed with safety in mind, it features plastic-coated chains that are pinch-free and snag-free. It's strong enough to hold up to 300 pounds, so adults can join the fun too. Constructed with durable materials, just like the ones you find at the local park. This swing is built to withstand enthusiastic play from kids, the elements, and even adults. Get ready to swing in minutes. It arrives fully assembled and ready to hang. Simply use the included snap hooks to attach it to your existing swing set. This kit includes one pre-assembled swing seat, heavy-duty chains, and 2 metal snap hooks for easy attachment. Hanging brackets are sold separately if needed. What we like? This swing replacement brings heavy-duty playground quality right to your backyard. It features plastic-coated chains that are pinch-free and safe for kids, with a weight capacity of up to 300 pounds. If you need a reliable and safe swing that can be easily installed on existing structures or used for DIY projects, this is the perfect option. What people say. The swing set accessories are made of durable materials that have held up well to outdoor elements. The design of the accessories allows for easy installation and attachment to various swing set frames. The variety of accessories available, such as different types of swings and climbing ropes, offers multiple play options for children. Number 3. Jungle Gym Kingdom Trapeze Swing Bar. Encourage active play with our versatile trapeze bar. It's the perfect addition to any backyard playground, making exercise fun and engaging for your children. This hanging bar comes fully assembled and ready to go. It includes everything you need for quick installation, so the fun can start right away. Take your outdoor play area to the next level with this exciting swing set accessory. It's designed to bring hours of enjoyment your children will absolutely love. Designed with safety as a top priority, our sturdy and secure accessories provide peace of mind for parents. It's a favorite for a reason. Upgrade your existing equipment and make active outdoor play a daily possibility. This addition ensures your kids stay entertained and active all year round. What we like? This accessory takes your playground to the next level with a fun trapeze bar. It comes fully assembled with heavy-duty chains and secure locking carabiners for easy setup. If your children love to swing, climb, and get active outdoors, This addition will provide hours of engaging play and exercise. What people say. The swing set accessories are made of durable materials that have held up well to outdoor use. The design of the swing set accessories is easy to install and requires minimal tools. The variety of accessories available allows for customization to fit different swing set configurations. Number 2. Jungle Gym Kingdom Pirate Ship Wheel. Embark on an imaginative journey with this fun accessory. It's a fantastic addition to any playhouse, opening up a world of make-believe for your child. Setting up this toy steering wheel is a breeze. It comes with all the necessary mounting tools for a quick and smooth installation. Designed with safety in mind, this ship wheel is 12 inches in diameter and meets ASTM safety standards for residential use. Crafted for durability, this quality toy wheel is built to withstand the elements. It's a long-lasting addition to your playground. This versatile steering wheel is perfect for completing your child's backyard setup. It works wonderfully as an accessory for swing sets, fences, and play sets. What we like. This wooden pirate ship will add a fantastic imaginative element to any play area. It's easy to install and built to withstand the elements, meeting safety standards for residential use. If you're looking to spark your child's creativity and create a fun, make-believe adventure zone in your backyard, this accessory is a perfect fit. What people say. The swing set accessories are made of durable materials that have held up well to outdoor use. The design of the swing set accessories is easy to install and requires no special tools. The swing set accessories offer a variety of activities that keep children entertained for hours. Number 1. ABUSA Heavy Duty Swing Hangers, 4-pack. Introducing the ABUSA Heavy Duty Swing Hangers, designed for ultimate durability and safety. Built to last, they offer a reliable solution for all your hanging needs. Crafted from premium aluminum alloy, these hangers are rust-free and built to withstand harsh weather. Enjoy peace of mind with their exceptional durability and protective finish. Experience incredibly smooth and quiet operation thanks to the specially designed high-quality bearings. Say goodbye to squeaking and enjoy a peaceful experience. Installation is a breeze with all necessary accessories included. We've provided everything you need for a quick and hassle-free setup. These versatile hangers are perfect for a wide range of applications. Use them for swings, yoga belts, boxing sandbags, cradle beds, and more, both indoors and outdoors. We are confident in our product's excellent quality. If you're not completely satisfied, simply contact us for a full refund, no questions asked. What we like. These heavy-duty swing hangers offer an impressive weight capacity of over 5,000 pounds, ensuring maximum safety and durability. Their bearing structure allows for smooth, quiet rotation without squeaking, and they are made from rust-free aluminum alloy. If you need extremely reliable and long-lasting hangers for swings, yoga belts, or other hanging equipment, and want peace of mind with a worry-free purchase, these are the ideal choice. What people say. The swing set is easy to assemble and the kids love it. The quality of the materials is excellent, and it seems very durable. It provides hours of fun for children of all ages. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.